Struggling with neck pain during flights or travel? Meet the adjustable, soft, durable foam cervical brace from Comfort on Board trademark. Ergonomically designed to support your neck, relieve pain, and improve posture. With adjustable straps and soft foam, it fits comfortably whether you're on a plane, at home, or during naps. Lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for travel or everyday use. Say goodbye to stiffness and discomfort. Travel smarter and feel better with Comfort on Board trademark.